Welcome to the another session of football. Today we are going to learn passing. Passing is the essence of ball possession, and nowadays in international football you can see the most of the 80% of goal scoring opportunity is coming through passing, and we feel and realize that passing have the immense importance in the field of football. So today we learned passing, in which the ground pass, which we used to say push pass, and we learned push pass, and we will make this pass in a bipart way. We start with this learning the techniques of push pass. So today we are going to learn the passing, in which we start initially with the push pass. So push pass usually we used to do when the player is nearby, not more than 30 yards or less than 30 yards. So this is very much easier to give the pass to your teammates with this ground pass, push pass. So let me start. Here Akshat is one of the very good player, and right now he wanted to learn push pass. So let's start. Don't wasting time much. We'll go directly to the basic fundamental skill of passing, push pass. Right now I am having this ball, be here. Now what I will do, the initial learning push pass is we divided into few parts, few basic stance position, how you take the stance before executing this push pass. So initially we will start. First of all, you have to come nearer and close to your ball, so that the ball should be in front of your body. This is the first part. You should have to keep your non-kicking foot. My left leg is the non-kicking foot, so I'll take a good placement of my left leg and pointing the toes directly to the player who is standing where we have to send the pass. So Akshat is here, so my toes pointing to Akshat. This is the first one. And the second one is your kicking foot. When it will come nearer to the ball, at that time the angle should be 90 degree. The angle should be 90 degree, and you have to inside edge of the foot. Inside edge of the foot means there is an arch. So this part is the inside edge of the foot. From here we have to execute. We have to send the pass to your teammates. So here the first basic thing you have to keep it in your mind is your stance. So you have to plant non-kicking foot nearer to the ball, and the second one is your kicking foot you have to take slide back, so that the application of force with the swinging of the kicking foot should come and hit the ball, so that ball will get some force. This is the second one. Third one is I have to hit the ball. So the most important part is you have to hit mid of the ball. Mid of the ball you have to hit with your inside edge of the foot. So that is the execution part. Afterwards, because you have to give a very good quality pass in football, because every coach need and he feels his player should give a very good accuracy pass. So that accuracy should be developed only when you will go after the execution. You will give a very good follow through. That follow through gives a better direction and force to the ball, and that ball directly go to your teammate wherever you wanted to send. So that is most important part. The first part is you have to come nearer to the ball, then you have to plant the non-kicking foot. Your non-kicking foot's toes should be pointed to the player where you wanted to send the ball. Second is you have to swing back your kicking foot back, and your body position should be front, and you have to look to the ball. That is most important part. So right now executing and follow through. So after the execution, hitting the ball, I am just swinging my leg forward and upward. So here what is the actual key point is, after execution you should have to take your shoulder back, and your hip and leg should be go forward. So whenever you are hitting or passing the ball, you should have to give a good follow through. So during the follow through you should have to bring your shoulder back and you have to hit forward. Your leg and hip should be slide forward. So